I said I was going to speak English, so I'm going to try and do it in English for the last part. Sorry, coaches. There's a few people that's going to end their careers. One guy that's going to end his career tonight. Well, not tonight. He ended it a few weeks ago. I think there's one or two more guys that's thinking about it. But a true legend, and I'm going to give him this honor tonight. I've known him since he was 14 years old. And I don't usually do this because it's not about an individual person, it's about the team, the club, and everything else. But I'm going to give him a bit of credit. I'm not going to fund you next year, Luga. Okay. Hoor het so Jan, ons weet nooit. No, it's our job, it's your job and my job om nuwe manne in te bring. Maar Luga, dit wat jy gedoen het vir Nakabille, ken jy soos ek sê van 14 jaar oud af. Baie lief vir jou, baie respek vir jou. Dankie vir wat jy ingesit het by die klub. Dankie dat jy just before Luga left, he passed the baton to Ruan, Billy. And he passed the baton, and that night I met him. It was just, he came out of the change room and we stood there, and I said, do you think Billy is the right guy? And he said to me, I know he's the right guy. So he passed the baton on to the next captain. Thank you for that, Luga. Dankie vir wat jy gedoen het vir die klub, maar ook vir rugby in totaliteit. Love you. Enjoy it.